Good morning. I am Krishnavani. I belong to the Department Biochemistry, Sri Adi Sunjanagiri Women's College, Kambam. I am going to brief about riboswitches. Riboswitch is a regulatory segment of a mRNA molecule that can bind with a small molecule, resulting in a change in the protein production encoded by the mRNA. This is called translation. That is, riboswitch is involved in gene regulation. That means it can bind to a small metabolite or metal ion and forms alternate structures of mRNA. Scientists have discovered that a variety of ligands are sensed by riboswitches. It includes magnesium ions, nucleic acid precursors, enzyme cofactors, and amino acid residues. Riboswitches, which are found in bacteria, archaea, and certain fungi. One type of functional riboswitch called TPP riboswitch, that is thymine pyrophosphate riboswitch, have been discovered in archaea, plants, and fungi. Riboswitch was first named by Dr. Ronald Breaker in 2002, and he first demonstrated that mRNA can bind directly to metabolites, and he developed a useful method called inline probing, which is used to detect the conformational change in mRNA. Riboswitches are conserved sequence motifs located in the 5' UTR, that is untranslated regions. However, not all riboswitches are at the 5' UTR. In some eukaryotic mRNA, the TPP riboswitch regulates splicing at the 3' end. Next, structure. If you take the structure, means it possesses two domains. First one, aptamer. This is a ligand binding domain which is highly conserved. It binds to a small molecule. Second one, expression platform, otherwise termed as regulating domain. It undergoes structural changes in response to changes in the aptamer. It is less conserved. The sign Dalgarno sequence is located in this domain. Typically, it turn off the gene and turn it on. Next, mechanism of action. There are three mechanisms. First one, the terminator loop formed by the riboswitch reduces the stability of either mRNA RNA polymerase interaction or DNA RNA hybrid. It results in the dissociation of the enzyme RNA polymerase. It results in the termination of translation. Second mechanism, if no metabolite in Sine-Dalgarno site, it initiates transcription. But the binding of metabolite to the Sine-Dalgarno site induces the formation of anti-Sine-Dalgarno stem loop that mask the ribosome binding site. The third mechanism, ligand binding brings the conformational changes and adjacent nucleotides are arranged in a line. The arrangement favors the cleavage of ribosome. Types. Various types are there. Gopalamine riboswitch, which bind to the adenosyl gopalamine that regulate the synthesis of gopalamine. TPP riboswitch bind to the thymine pyrophosphate which control the synthesis. Lysine riboswitch bind to the lysine and regulate its synthesis. Glycine riboswitch which bind to the glycine molecule and control their synthesis. Cyclic AMP GMP riboswitch which bind to the signaling molecule. Fluoride riboswitch which sends the fluoride ion. FMN riboswitch which bind to the flavin mononucleotide. Applications. Bacterial riboswitch become promising target for antibacterial drugs, target for novel antibiotics, artificial control of transcription or translation of target genes in industrial biotechnology. effective method of controlling gene expression in natural organisms, there has been interest in engineering artificial riboswitches for industrial and medical applications such as gene therapy. Riboswitches are RNA-based therapeutic tools that are most often employed to knock down gene expression or to inhibit bacterial infections, respectively. Thank you.